We have officially landed in Maui. Say hi.
What's up?
5.5 hours later, we are here.
Okay, we're here. I'm ready for school.
Mandatory first stop in Maui, Target, so we can get a bunch of junk toys for the little kids. Let's see what we can find. Damn. Oh, Dad, can I get this?
No.
Perfect for the beach. Yo, can I get these?
I don't think they're gonna fit.
Damn. Some of these, this. Oh. That. Definitely need this. I don't even know what this thing is. Oh. Yo, can I get one of these?
Please, can we go?
For some reason, I didn't get his skin color. I got my really white skin, so.
So do they have 250?
Wow. Without looking at the total, what's your prediction?
247.
326. Oh, you already looked, you cheater. If you're under, you lose.
Is that a new rule?
Yo, where are you going? It's hot. Start the AC. I get stuck in the back seat, snuggling with the groceries. Just got to the hotel in Maui. Welcome to Maui. Big hands here at 10 of course. There you go. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Aloha. Give you guys a nice little tour of the spot with the view. This is where I'll be sleeping. That's my bed.
Come, let me show you your room.
I'm in my room.
We're gonna put a cot in here. Just because we have so many people, I'm sorry.
No room.
I know it's a little small.
Okay, so he wasn't going for me getting the room with the view, but this is still a pretty dope room. Apparently she doesn't like the vlog. Yeah, me too. Yeah, dabba dabba da. Dabba dabba dabba. Think I can do this? I think I portray the talents to be able to do this right now. Another day, another dollar. Heading to the gym. Gotta get this work in. Dressed up a little warmer today because the gym was ice cold yesterday.
It's 127 degrees out and he's in all black.
What did you do on vacation? Conference calls.
Beautiful day in paradise.
You have enough sunscreen on?
We saw Boston.
You guys are matching. Some chilling, relaxing, eating ice cream. Others
Posted.
I just did a little paddle boarding with this guy. There's fish near us. What kind of fish is that? It's coming towards us. What'd you think of the paddle board? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did we almost get lost?
Yeah.
Charlie and I are about to go do some scuba diving.
It's called snorkeling.
Oh, snorkeling. As always, we know where to find her on the phone doing business.
Hi, I'm just on with Sarah.
I'm in palm tree heaven.
Where are we taking?
What did you get to eat? What did you get to eat?
A burger.
And what did you get?
Burger.
The best part about eating at the Sea House is that after we all come out here and oh my, look at the view. Are you a vlogger? Are you a vlogger? There it is. 1, 2, 3. No, Stevie, no!
Now you gotta hold him still.
Currently headed to the gym right now. There's no days off. The family fair to hit this young gym life. Today we decided to leave the hotel, so we're headed to Paia. Whole squad in the car. They've been talking about work the whole time. I've been messing with Charlie the whole time.
Stop!
Because that's my entertainment when we go places.
still go.
Nothing holds us back.
Can't even rain.
It's starting to rain really hard here in Maui. Well, you can't see the rain, but it's raining really hard. Charlie crushing it right now.
Going to the waterfall.
I was ready to go. Let's do it. Thank God I rocked my Jesus sandals on this hike. Yo, shout out Jesus one time. This is unbelievable. Found one of the waterfalls. This is one of the smaller ones. Apparently, since it's raining, the big one is closed because it's not safe.